myself. Uh, this is Ambreen Rafiq in Hyderabad, Pakistan, having qualified with degrees in social science and education. I have been working as a social development practitioner for 15 years. This has been with NGOs and consulting companies, along with my volunteer work as a GGA Pakistan with the street children and women, and helping Sindh Department of Health build resilience against COVID-19 of the Hyderabad city community. I'm the ambassador of Kishma Venture Monpakila, Pakistan, and today I have the role of coordinator and moderator of this webinar. So let me share our purpose of the session. The purpose of our session today is to explore the topic emotional well-being during the COVID-19 pandemic. So I would like to invite, it is my great pleasure to invite Ms. Malabika Sakia, the Managing Director of Kishma Venture and founder of Monpakila, their brainchild, to say a few words about the Kishma Venture organization and Monpakila journey. So could you please, ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Ambreen Rafiq. Very good evening to all of you, and thank you everyone for joining today. Kishma Venture is a socially concerned organization which conducts events on relevant social issues. This is our second international virtual event. I would like to welcome all of you to the platform of Kishma Venture, the concept beyond an idea. Kishma Venture's flagship event is Monpakila, a platform to empower married women based on their creative talents. The Assamese term Monpakila implies dreams in our hearts, a journey of leadership of married women in their search of a new identity. This platform successfully thriving in Assam, India, and touching numerous lives. Now it is ready with its version 2.0, which is on a virtual reality global platform. We are also in process of collaboration to take the Monpakila implementing platform to UK and Latin America. Emotional well-being is a burning issue in today's scenario, and through projects like Monpakila, it is our constant attempt to encourage and support our budding leaders in their journey of mental well-being. Lockdown being is a very different time. We have organized today's webinar and invited our esteemed speaker to discuss on this important topic. I would like to personally welcome our panelists, Dr. Satyam Dochakar from London, UK, Mr. Manoj Gupta from New Delhi, India, Ms. Saida Hussain from Kolkata, India, and Mr. Amit Borwa from Assam, India. I would also like to thank to Global Goodwill Ambassadors Foundations for their association to conduct our series of events. My special thanks to Dr. Alexander Evergrande, Chair, GGA, Cambodia, and Vice President for Global Communication, also a member of Chambers of Commerce from Netherlands. My special thanks to Dr. Asim Mosa from Egypt and Mr. Rajiv Saikia for their financial assistance to conduct our 2 series of webinar sessions.